Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a room makeover on mine and James's room. I'm so excited for this one, and I know you guys are going to love it because you guys have been dying for me to do this for some time now. So I just want to start off by saying this clip here is not from recently. This is from the beginning of the year in January. This is what we were dealing with in our old room, and I just wanted to share a clip with you so that you can really see a glimpse of how the room used to be and why I used to receive a lot of suggestions and negative comments on, how much stuff we had in here. And so all of this experience in this room really led us to what we wanted in our new room. So I just wanted to share that with you so you could kind of see like how far we've come in not only our decluttering process but in the makeover in our room too, like in how it's changed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm gonna get into it. So I wanted to share with you guys how the room looked once it was all the way cleaned, when I did my best on what it would look like if it was completely clean. And then this is a clip of what my room is like currently after we redid the floors and we've gone through the majority of the year decluttering our room. And so this is what we were left with. This is from a recent cleaning video. Alrighty, so this process took me a couple days to do, being back and forth to work also on top of that. So the first half of the video I'm just sharing with you guys painting. Originally when I picked this color I thought it was going to be like way too dark, but it ended up being like exactly what I wanted in the end, which worked out really well. In this clip here I'm using the Valspar signature paint from Lowe's. I'm not sure if other places carry that or not. I'm not sure if it's like home to Lowe's or not, but I really love this paint, and you don't have to do several coats of it, which is an absolute plus. In this moment when I was painting the room, I absolutely loved the size of our room because painting is such a pain. When you first have to tape and then do the cutting and then go into all the other stuff. So one thing I'm not really mad about is seeing this yo-yo shelf go off of here. I've hated this for so long. I couldn't get it down though, so James had to come in, of course, and get it down. He didn't help me with most of the painting, well, any painting, because we've painted our house several times in different places, and he just hates painting as much as I do. So I just went ahead and did it myself. I will have to list what this color is. I need to find it. I'm pretty sure it's like cool gray, I think is what I went with. I was going for like a grayish look, which is a mix between like a gray and a beige, because I didn't want it to be like too bland and I didn't want it to be like too blah, like brown. So I wanted to kind of go in the middle, but it turned out well, I think. So the main thing we were going for in our bedroom was to have functionality. I know you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for doing this, but literally as many times as I've painted, I was not about to tape off this molding, and our molding is rubber too, so I can easily clean it if paint gets on it. I actually tested it too just to make sure. But one of the main things I like to do when I'm painting is I just freehand going over like around my windows and my molding, and I do a pretty decent job here if I do say so myself. It is a little bit time consuming, but I definitely think it's good enough. I mean, we're saving hundreds of dollars here by just doing it ourselves, and so you guys know all about us being on board with DIY projects for our home, and so I just rolled with it. It's super satisfying too, right? So I'll just take this time to tell you guys about our bedroom outfit that we purchased. We went to Value City Furniture, and we went to a couple different places originally. We originally had it to purchase some Ikea dressers, and we were going to DIY our bed because we really wanted to have more drawer space, but it was really just not a project we were willing to take on right now because we're both really busy and we didn't really want to deal with building it. So we decided to look around, and we ended up going with something from Value City that we found, and we actually took the floor model because it was bigger than the bed that we originally planned to get, and it was like around the same price, so we just went with that. It had like one little nick on it that we had to repair, but it was fine because of the money we saved. We were totally on board with that. We're all for like shopping outlets, and like, if something has a little bit of something on it, it's fine. Like, we're human. But next to that, we're just really excited to have our new bed. We hated this space before. It wasn't somewhere that we wanted to hang out. It was hard to really live in here. You know, we just didn't have space and we had too much stuff. And so now that we got rid of so much stuff and we've downsized and we understand the importance of keeping our wardrobe in check and stuff, like, it's time for us to have better organization and just make this room more functional. I really love aesthetics, you guys know that, but I really love being kind of more minimal in the sense that I love it to just be as functional as possible, you know, and still cute. Just, you know, we just have a small space. So because we ended up buying the floor model, we ended up having to pick up our bed too because we couldn't get it delivered. Because it's like a showroom type of place where they don't actually ship from the showroom. So we had to rent a U-Haul and then pick everything up. I was really happy that it wasn't extremely heavy because me and James carried everything in ourselves. We didn't have nobody to help us, and so that really worked out well. I would say the mattress was the heaviest part. We ended up going with like a memory foam type of mattress. I was kind of iffy at first. I thought it was going to be too soft, but I'm glad we did it in the end because I really like it, and I think we deserve to have a good night's rest because we work really hard. So I went ahead and put a little bit more into the investment because we just had our old mattress for so long. Like, we literally had the mattress for 10 years. It was really gross because when we were first starting out, we didn't understand the importance of having sheets on the bed, so you can imagine what the mattress looked like. And then you know, not to mention it was just like ripped and it was really gross, and I had a cover on it, of course, now, but you know, it was time for a new mattress for sure, especially because we were completely grown out of the old one, which was a full, and so this time we ended up going with a bigger one. Okay, and so with all that being said, I wanted to remind you guys that if you want to amp up your space, the quickest way you can do that is with paint. While I'm doing this, you can see it's creating pretty, I don't want to say drastic because of this color, but it really does create a huge difference when you add color or fresh paint to your space if you can. And if you can't, you can look into contact paper. If you're renting or something like that, there's really great prints that won't be damaging to the walls, so you can amp up your space, or maybe make like a what's the word I'm looking for here, an accent wall. So the paint that I went with, I just love color. You guys know that we just love color in here. So James wasn't very fond of the whole room at first. He was like, why are you making the room so bland? Because if you look at the rest of the house, it's like a rainbow, and like the paint is just it's just refreshing when you actually walk in here and you see it in your own eyes. Like, you can't help but to just feel a little bit happy when you see the colors. At least for us walking into our house, that's how we feel. And so if you look into color therapy, I think it's a great way to introduce new moods and just new feels to your home if you paint. And it's fairly cheap too, depending on the paint that you get. You can do quite a bit with just paint. Next to that, I would also say upgrade your curtains or bedding, and then you'll create a drastic feel in your space for sure. So you don't need new furniture and stuff like that. If you want to do a room makeover, you can use things you already have on hand and just paint, and it'll make a huge difference. But however, for us, we were looking for that functionality. As I said, we've been waiting for that, so we really needed to upgrade our sleeping stuff. Now, in this video, I didn't share getting new bedding because we actually didn't pick any yet. It took me a lot longer to decide on something than I thought, so I decided to wait because I like to make split decisions for sure, but initially I like to kind of wait on the details. So if I say, oh, okay, well, I want to get new bedding, well, maybe I'll pick a brand and then I'll be set on bedding that's new and a brand, but I won't pick the print, so that's basically where I'm at right now. Even though I didn't pick a brand, I'm just giving an example. So yeah, we didn't do new bedding or curtains in this video, but just wait till you guys see the transformation at the end. It's going to be it's incredible looking at it when I was just editing this video. Okay, I've been yapping for like this whole entire time, so if you guys have any questions or anything, leave them down below. If you made it this far in the video too, drop me an emoji down below, anything that you like. And so I'm going to play some music and then I'll chat with you in a bit.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't taste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed.
So as you can see right here, our bed is like a captain's bed, and it's a king size bed that we got, and it has drawers underneath. It has 2 big drawers on each side and then 2 in the front. So it was a floor model, so I was sure to clean it, and so this is how dirty it was. Even though it was new and it was in the store, it was filthy, so I cleaned that. And then the inside has drawers, and I found these drawer organizers on Amazon. I'd link these in my organization folder in my Amazon store. That's listed in my description if you want to check these out. They were like, I think 12 or 13 bucks, but these are for like socks and underwears and bras, and you can put whatever you want in here, honestly. So I got a couple of those to test out and try. Now, the only other thing that was wrong with this bed, because it was like an on the floor model that we purchased, was it was missing a knob on one of the drawers that I didn't notice initially. So I might have to replace all the knobs, but I'm pretty sure that Lowe's does carry a similar knob, so I'm going to check that out first. But overall, I really love the bedroom. I love how the color turned out. And then we ended up putting up some shelves from Ikea. I didn't put the shelves at all the same height because the one above the bed is going to be different. It's going to host like some decor and stuff, so I wanted it to sit a little bit lower. Now these shelves are the long ones. I think they're like modular or something like that. They're the bookshelf ones with the lip from Ikea, and they're like $12. So we put up some of these. We had to use drywall screws, and then I actually flipped this one upside down so that way it would be more like a floating shelf, so that way it had a little bit more space to place stuff. And so we reinforced it with 2 extra screws. And then behind the bed I put these little felt chair covers because my bed was hitting against the wall and I didn't want it to scratch, so I just threw that right there, and it fit perfectly, so like it's not gonna, you know, rub off on the paint. And then I also installed some hooks behind the door. Go me for using like a drill and you know, a nail starter thingy. I don't know what they're called, I forget. But anyways, I did these. It was cool. James was ragging on me the whole time, talking smack, but I ended up getting it done. So here's a quick glimpse of what the room was like before, and then I'm going to share with you the after. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me today for today's video, doing the bedroom makeover. This has been a long awaited one. I've been waiting so long to get a new bed. We both have. And so I just want to always give you the reminder to be patient and keep working on your goals and don't give up on having exactly what you want. And also to remember that exactly what you want doesn't have to be like exactly what everybody else wants. So just keep working at everything that you want. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.